Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to East St. Paul, Manitoba. This beautiful community sits just northeast of Winnipeg, along the east side of the Red River. It's part of the Winnipeg metro region, but has a quiet, country feel with wide open spaces, parks, and peaceful neighborhoods. East St. Paul was first settled in the 1800s, and over the years it has grown into a popular place for people who want to live close to the city while still enjoying the calm of rural life. The area is known for its strong sense of community and natural beauty. There are many parks, walking trails, and green spaces, including Silver Springs Park and the lovely Red River trails. In the winter, people come here to skate on outdoor rinks and enjoy the snow, while summer brings boating, fishing, and quiet evenings by the water. East St. Paul is also home to a mix of farms, newer homes, and longtime family properties. It's a friendly, welcoming place where history and nature are an important part of everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of East St. Paul, Manitoba. Thanks for watching!